Hi beautiful people, it's Wonderful Wednesday. I'm April Roll, your ER doctor online, and it's time for another garden video update. If you're new to my channel, every first Wednesday of the month, I take you guys into my backyard and I show you what I'm growing and I show you all the updates and the cool stuff that has happened or not happened since the last garden video update. So this is a part of my grow series, and this is the grow series update for March 2021. So let's go. So I always start the garden video update with a nice pan. So we got the ginger, lemongrass, and turmeric and aloe over here. These sugar cane, all my fruit trees, my torpedo pots over there in the back, and a bunch of stuff going on in here. So this video won't be long. I'm just gonna go over the pertinent key updates. Okay, so here we got the mama banana tree. This is a dwarf Cavendish, and the mama banana tree is still like is pretty much not producing. Is not producing. But since the last video, like, look guys, I have two more pups. These were not present in the February update video, and look at how big these two pups have already gotten, like out of nowhere. And just to give you an idea, this little banana tree pup started off just like those, and this one actually is coming along. Remember, it was stunted for a little bit, but this one is actually coming along. And just to go back over here, this banana pup started off just like this. Like literally guys, they usually start off like a little tiny thing. This is not it, okay, don't pay attention. They start off like a little tiny green thing, and boom, growth explodes like this. And you can put them in their own pot and they make their own banana tree. But yeah, the mom looks like she's done for. I don't know. I still have hope, but we'll see. So here goes my fruit trees, guys. Like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, so let's just get right back over here to my mulberry tree. Now, for you guys who don't know, mulberry trees are deciduous trees, and that basically means they drop their leaves. It's not a big deal. This is normal for them. So you might be saying, oh my gosh, your tree looks sick, but actually that's how it's supposed to. That's what it does. But what I want you to take note of, and I'm gonna apologize in advance for moving the camera quickly, but look, this tree is loaded with berries. Loaded with berries. Loaded with berries. Where's the next? Loaded with berries. Berries. Look, berries everywhere, and some of them are actually turning red. Where's some more? Down here we got some berries. We got some berries here. We got some berries here. I mean, I think you guys get the idea. Like, we got berries everywhere, like literally berries everywhere. Okay, and I wish I could see. Oh, here, this I think is the biggest cluster, and of course they're not ripe because the mulberries are supposed to turn black when they are ripe. So the ripest one on here, I guess you could say, is this one, but again, it's supposed to be all black, so that's still not ripe yet. Now let's get over to some other stuff that is new. Here are my torpedo pots. For those of you who don't know, this is like a set it and forget it. Basically, here I have my water hose connected to all the pots. There's a dial here where you can turn it up or down. And I'm just again gonna show you the new stuff. I bought a strawberry plant from Home Depot or somewhere. I just couldn't help myself because the little strawberries were already on there, and I planted it in this bucket. Now here, guys, my Scotch bonnet pepper. Bam, a pepper. Let me show you. All these little flowers over here about to be peppers, and then boom, over here. What am I doing? Over here, boom, peppers. Guys, all of those little flowers are gonna be peppers, but yes, right here, the fruits of my labor. Okay, the biggest pepper on the Scotch bonnet tree. And then, as I told you, the California bells, they're trying. You know, we're not gonna give up on them. So let's just go. Here's my tomato plant, but nothing's going on there. So let me get over here to my poblano pepper plants. 2 of them. This one has flowers, no peppers yet, but this one, boom, right there. First pepper growing. Here's another one. But like I said, all of these are gonna be peppers. And oh my gosh, I can't wait. So let me go around over here. Oh, I added a rain barrel. Now, it's not set up correctly, so don't look at this and be like, oh, what are you doing? Like, that's not how you catch water. I do know that. It's not set up yet, guys. But let me walk over here. So this is a regular potato. Like, don't ask me what variety, russet, whatever, the white potatoes that you put in regular food. That's what this is gonna be. Okay, and then this is a regular sweet potato, because as you may have seen in my other videos, I have a Korean sweet potato growing. Actually, they're right here. These are Korean sweet potatoes in this one, and this one right here. These are Korean sweet potato leaves. So this is actually the regular, you know, like the regular orangish brown sweet potato pie that you see at Thanksgiving, Christmas, whichever other holidays. This is that potato, okay? And this is like the regular food and soup French fried potato, okay? So I think that was all. My torpedo pots, guys, I love them. And again, I showed you the cauliflower. Why do I call this, is this collard greens? I don't know why I always want to call it cauliflower, but these are my collard greens. Like, I need to eat these is what I need to do. But I think I planted some more under here before, but the kale, like the little baby kale, are growing. And like I said, that's all I'm gonna say about this, because I have one other thing to show you inside. The indoor greenhouse. Okay, so these wildflowers are growing like crazy. I'm gonna have to plant them outside because soon they're gonna be touching the light, and that's no good. The cilantro, the sage, and the rosemary back there, slowly growing. But here I planted some new stuff, guys. So we have, let me go down here. We have some new straight 8 cucumbers, because remember my cucumbers got eaten up. We have a snap pea here. We got 2 varieties of watermelon. Right here I think is a royal gold, 2 royal gold watermelons, and right here are 2 orange glow watermelons. Here is supposed to be a 2 sugar babies. They're not growing. And then these 3 here, 1, 2, and 3, are stark crimson pears. And the reason that I am trying to grow those is because I learned my poor pear here, please ignore the brown stuff, but hopefully it'll pick up. And here, pears need 2 varieties apparently to fruit, 2 different varieties. So that's it. Thank you for spending this wonderful Wednesday with me. Be blessed and stay healthy.